Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and choosing the interface you'll use, mobile app or desktop browser. Once done, make sure the app is up to date or refresh the browser to avoid cached UI differences. You'll need basic location permissions on mobile. Grant them. Next, locate the map area where labels are distracting. Tap or click to center the view so any label layers are visible. This gets you immediately into the edit path without wasting time on obvious setup. You should open the Layers or Map Type menu and inspect each layer. Then toggle off the Labels or Places layer. On mobile, tap Layers, then uncheck Labels. On desktop, use the menu to switch to Satellite with labels off. If you only want fewer labels, turn off Transit and Places instead of everything. For detailed areas, switch to Terrain or Satellite to keep visual context while removing text. This selective control helps you keep necessary information without losing geographic detail. You finish by navigating around and verifying labels remain hidden when you pan or zoom. Make sure settings persist after closing the app. If toggles don't stick, clear app cache or browser cache and try again. On mobile, reinstalling the app often fixes stubborn UI issues. If the problem continues, you send feedback in the menu to report a bug with screenshots. That helps Google address the issue. And in the meantime, you can revert any changes to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.